We are the creators of the Backbase digital banking platform, a white-label digital banking software solution that helps banks to accelerate their digital transformation. Today, we'd like to show you the latest innovation in artificial intelligence and PSD2 combined. The goal of the demo is to show you how a regular mobile banking application will be transformed into a smart personal assistant. A smart personal assistant that will help you as a consumer with making better financial decisions every day. Tim, let's start the demo.
Thanks, Jouk, and good afternoon, everyone. Let's start with a story about this morning, when I was walking from my hotel towards the Finovate venue. I actually got a small surprise, a very nice surprise from my bank. So what happened was I was passing one of my favorite coffee shops here in London, and I got this notification on my mobile device, just like any other notification, thanking me for my loyalty. When I opened it up, I was presented with this gift voucher, fully integrated into my Apple Wallet, so I could use it at any point of sales terminal, for instance. I did not need to open up my banking application for this. This example seems trivial, but the fact that the personal assistant is fully integrated and embraces mobile native capabilities means that it's very seamless and non-intrusive. Let's go to a better story. I've been saving up money for a designer bike for quite a while already. And I think right now is the day to actually go out and buy this bike. So before we do so, I first need to check my balance. So I go to my mobile banking application. I do log in with Touch ID. Savings account, second one, I've saved up 4,500 euros. That should be sufficient to buy a bike. So let's go out and buy it. All right, so very convenient. We have a bike salesman in the room.
Hey Tim,
so what do we have
really
here?
Nice bike. It's a super sharp design. Your favorite brand. I really hope you like it.
I do like it. It does miss a pedal. So for 2,000 euros, I'll get it.
All right, great.
Yeah.
You got a deal.
Okay, thanks. All right, so I just bought the bike for 2,000 euros. And as I've given permission to my personal assistant to provide me with better offers, I actually get a notification related to my latest purchase. So there's a notification on top. And once we open it up, we directly get into a chat with my personal assistant. And in this case, it says, hey, Tim, we see you've spent 2,000 euros in a bike shop today. Would it be helpful to look at insurance? It's a nice bike, it's expensive, so let's do it. As a next step, I get presented with the product configurator, which basically allows me to tell the personal assistant what the product is all about and what type of insurance I would like to have. Well, it's an electrical bike, and the coverage should be at least 75%. I confirm my choices, and at this moment, the personal assistant is finding the relevant offers for me. So let's see what it comes up with. All right, 3 offers. And in this case, the first one is 80% coverage, 1, 2, or 3 years. The second one is full coverage, flexible duration. And the third one is full coverage, 3 years. I think this one is nicest, it's flexible. So I confirm my choice. And because the bank already has all of my relevant data, the only thing I need to do is to simply authorize the fact that I want to have this insurance package. So I tap authorize, and with I verify, I confirm that it's indeed me who wants to buy this insurance package. That's it, we're fully set up. The bike is now safely insured. Now, so far, I really like this new personal assistant. Wouldn't it be even better if it can also advise me on products that I have with third parties? For instance, I have a credit card with ING. Now, this is exactly what PSD2 is bringing to the market. So let me show you what that could potentially look like. So I'm going to tap Add External Product. And again, through a simple dialog, I can add the bank that I would like to put into the overview here, which is ING Bank. As a next step, I need to authorize the Backbase banking application to gain access to my ING Bank's data. So I tap Authorize, and I get redirected to the ING banking app. I confirm with Touch ID that I want to log in, and as a next step, I see an authorization screen, much similar to those of Facebook and Twitter. Backbase Bank will have access to the following account, and that's going to be the credit card. So I tap Authorize, and I get redirected back to my personal assistant. Would you like to add this to your account overview? Well, let's do it. So I tap Yes, and that's it. I'm now all set up. If I go back to my overview, you indeed find this new credit card, and I have spent some money with it. And again, what you will find is that I get a personal notification that states, your ING credit card is overdue. So open up the notification. There we go. And apparently, the settlement of your credit card with ING Bank is overdue. It's costing you 187 euros, 187 euros 18 every month. That seems a shame. So as a result, the bank says, do you want to use your savings account to settle the outstanding amount of 1,337 euros? Bike was a bit cheaper, so let's do it. I tap yes. Again, I'm presented in the context of the personal assistant with a payments widget, which is already pre-filled. The only thing I need to do is to simply tap Pay and confirm with Touch ID. And that's it. I've now executed the payment, and I've settled the credit card I have with this third-party bank. But even better, the Backbase bank is automatically and instantly providing me with a better and more relevant offer. A credit card that has lower APR, an all-risk insurance package, including travel, and has free withdrawals worldwide. Super relevant, I don't need my ING credit card anymore. So I tap Get Card, I confirm with Touch ID, and we now automatically provision the Backbase credit card within my Backbase banking app. Back to you, Jouk.
All right. Thank you, Tim. That was really nice and great with the login. So what is the key takeaway? Artificial intelligence will be everywhere, and it will create smart assistants that will help the customer. That's one. The second one, the smart assistant will really protect your privacy. It will follow your behavior from the past, it will compare your behavior with others, but it only will do so if you give it permission, so privacy is guaranteed. And then finally, PSD2 is going to be a huge sales opportunity. You saw how quickly it was to actually replace an ING credit card with an alternative credit card. With PSD2, all this information about account holders across Europe is for grab. So PSD2 is not just compliance, it's a huge sales opportunity. The capabilities you saw today here are part of the larger Backbase digital banking platform that helps banks with the accelerators, the building blocks to quickly implement their digital future. We hope you liked the demo. We thank you for your vote and look forward to meet you at the break. Thank you.